So we have a little bit of news. Todd's going to join us from the engine room, and I'm sitting in the bathtub.
The nice thing about this boat is you could take a bath and change the oil in the generator at the same time.
2 years ago, we purchased a hurricane-damaged boat with the dream of sailing her around the world. Together with our kids, we've been learning, laughing, and working to make this dream come true. This is the story of our adventures on a sailboat named Spoondrifter.
One of the companies I've worked for has asked me to go do a series of jobs in a row for them, and it's probably going to take us 30 days, maybe even 5 weeks to do that.
Yeah.
Every day, almost working virtually every day away from the boat.
So that's what this name of this game is when you're doing this by yourself, on your own, out of pocket, not borrowing money.
That's right. When money shows up, don't look a gift horse in the mouth, take it and run.
That's right.
This trip would be 15 jobs, take approximately 30 days, and span 8 states.
Abigail, you need to be in charge of the door.
2 weeks previously, we had just returned from a similar trip that took us to Florida, Georgia, Arkansas, and Missouri.
Down memory lane, you and me long time ago.
We're not even halfway through the trip, and the girls aren't so excited about hotels and meals anymore.
Dreams, always playing king and queen.
So how big is this roof?
34 feet.
Todd is a subcontractor for RV Armor. We are fixing and replacing damaged membranes on the top of RV roofs. Need a discount? Use Todd's discount code listed in the description below.
Ready to go?
Our goal is to earn enough money to get everything we still need to finish the boat, enough to get her in the water before the end of the year.
Ready again?
Again, yeah.
Time to get up, guys.
Turn this thing off. Good morning, sleepyheads. Gross.
At this point in the trip, the car looks like a bomb went off inside, and we're looking forward to being done. Due to rains from Hurricane Laura at the beginning of the trip that cost us precious time, we have now been working every single day.
When I close my eyes, I see how we all were tripping with beliefs. Ooh, and our hearts were young and free. When we wake,
This job was in a beautiful location. It was so nice to hear the birds and the crickets chirp. I think it was my personal favorite.
all the good times just begun.
We thought you might enjoy a peek behind the scenes of what we do. A typical job will take us about 2 days. A standard job involves adding 3 layers to the roof with extra layers around each opening.
The future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more.
The temperatures were just perfect for this job, not too hot. A nice change from our previous trip down south where I struggled with heat exhaustion almost every day.
Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through.
When we were at Florida, we purchased this trailer to carry the many tools and supplies that we need. Todd did a nice job building it out. The girls stayed with Grandma for our Florida trip. Katie is still in Alaska working, while Gabe is spending the summer with his older brothers.
Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Ready?
Let's go.
What am I gonna do with it?
We're finally headed back to Texas with only 2 more jobs to go, and our spirits are high.
You and I can weather any storm.
So we are at our last job before we get to head back to the boat. Whoop whoop!
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more.
Hey, hey! Last job.
The last job. Let's get them done so we can go home.
Alright, so let's talk a little bit about why we're doing this. The reality is, for most of us that choose to cruise, especially those of us that buy older boats and are doing our own refit, we do it because we want the dream, but we may not have the cash to just go buy that dream boat for hundreds of thousands of dollars. And that means working while you refit, working while you're making that dream come true. This has been really tough for me. I hadn't realized how physically difficult this was going to be. But I've gotten stronger, and I have a new appreciation for what my husband has done to make these dreams of mine come true. Because really, these are about me. People ask Todd all the time, how did you get her on board with this? Well, I was the one that got him on board with this. So I really appreciate what he's been willing to do to make this happen for me and our family. And being able to work together the last 90 days has been really amazing. We're literally months away from living on our boat, and I am just overjoyed. So we got to get this roof done, and then we will be moving on to the next leg of this adventure, the last little bit before we can put this boat in the water and live aboard. So here's the question I have for you. What will you do to make your dream come true? Bye-bye.